Good morning to all. Welcome to our e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Children, today I am going to teach you grammar way for standard 2 students, lesson number 7. Today's lesson is lesson number 7. It is about pronouns: me, us, you, him, her, it, them. These are all pronouns which we use in place of a noun. This lesson is about this pronoun. So how to use pronoun in a correct place, correct pronoun, how to know which pronoun is used for a particular noun. Let's start the lesson, children. We use some pronoun to show who or what received the action in a sentence. Means when we use a word to show the action who received in the sentence, a particular sentence, it is said to be a pronoun. Generally, a pronoun is used in place of a noun to which represent that particular noun in the sentence. Let's see how we use it. My mother wants me to water the plant today. Here, about whom we are talking? About mother. The mother is talking about saying to me. Me here is the word used for my name. If I have written my name, so in place of that it is written me there. So we are saying that mother told to me to water the plant today. So me is the pronoun here in this sentence. Dad is taking us to Pune next week. To whom dad is taking? Taking us. Here names are not given. In place of those names, proper nouns, here pronoun us is given, which represent those names. These are Sunil's books. Pass them to him. These books belongs to Sunil. Pass them to him. Because Sunil is a boy, we have to use the pronoun him. Him, his or he. These are the three pronouns used for boy or man. Have you seen my sharpener? I seems to have lost it. We are talking about the sharpener in this sentence, and sharpener is a non-living thing. So, if it is a non-living thing and singular number, we have to use it in place of the noun sharpener. It is the pronoun in this sentence which represent sharpener. Please pick up the toys and put them on the shelves. Toys are the noun in the sentence, and toys are in plural in number. So, pronoun them will be used for it. If toys would have been toy, singular, then pronoun would have been it. So, being plural in number, the noun, so we have to change the pronoun also along with it, that is them. Choose the correct pronoun. One has been done for you. My mother works in this supermarket. I have come to meet him or her. It is very easy. Mother is a female. If it is female, we have to use her. So correct answer is her. Those children shared their snacks with it or us. Those children shared the snacks with us. So us is the correct pronoun. It is circled. The lid of the can is broken. I can't close it. Lid is a non-living thing. So it is the correct option. Lid of the can is broken. I can't close it properly. It will be the pronoun. Priya, I told you or her not to go out alone. Priya, I told you. You represent Priya. So you is the pronoun in this sentence. So next one, take the correct answer. Your socks are dirty. Please change dash. 3 options are given. It asks them. You have to find out the correct option because it is plural in number. Socks, you see, SOCKS. That's why you have to use them for the noun socks. So your socks are dirty. Please change them. Number 2, you may borrow my book. When will you return it? It, why? Here the book is singular. So pronoun will be also it. It is used generally for singular noun, living or non-living. Neha's mother is kind. Neha takes after dash. Means Neha's mother is kind, she takes after her, because we are talking about her mother. Mother is a feminine gender here, so her is used for female. Mom asked dash to help her. I happily did. Mom asked me. Here mom told me to help her. I happily did. Me is the correct option for this question number 4. Here fill in the blanks with proper pronoun from the help box. Here help box options are given: us, you, him, her, it, them. Now you can see you have to fill the blanks with the help of the pronouns given in the help box. Smile, Garima. The frown doesn't suit you. Means please smile. The angry face doesn't suit you. You is the correct answer. Vanya is a good girl. Tell dash I said so. Vanya is a girl, so you have to use tell her. Vanya is a good girl. Tell her I said so. We must reach early. They asked dash not to be late. We must reach early. They asked us not to be late. Here is the toy Ria was looking for. Give dash to her. Toy is a non-living thing. We have to use it. Give it to her. My father found some pictures from his school days. I enjoyed looking at pictures. A non-living thing, plural in number. That's why them. My father found some pictures from his school days. I enjoyed looking at them. Can you speak to the milkman? Tell days to deliver milk till Sunday. Milkman is a male, so you have to use him. Can you speak to the milkman? Tell him to deliver milk till Sunday. Question number or bit number 6 is over. How to use correct pronoun from the help box in the fill in the blanks. Reorder the word in each group to form a correct sentence. Means in bit number D, you can see it is written in a haphazard way or zigzag way. You have to write in correct order to make it a meaningful sentence. My lunch fast wants mother me to finish. After every word or phrase there is a slash. These slash are given so that they are means we can write the words separately. But when we write in a sentence, we will take out the slash and write in proper order. Answer is, mother wants me to finish my lunch first. Second one, him not tell in the rain to go out. Tell him not to go out in the rain. 3. Many gifts we them gave Eid on. Correct answer will be, we gave them many gifts on Eid. We gave them many gifts on Eid. Number 4. Give Bikram's please phone number me. Proper way it will be, please give me Bikram's phone number. Please give me Bikram's phone number. So this lesson number 7, that is pronoun, it is over, children. Now it is your duty to watch this video thoroughly, repeatedly. If you want, you can take your parents with you so that they will guide you whatever it is said in this video. But be at home and see all these given videos regarding your all the subject, not only this one, all the subject, so that it will be a very great help for you to prepare the course of this years, so that you can cope up with the exams in the future, exams that will be coming ahead. So if you use the time, it will help you to know more about the this year's course. Any class you are, especially you are in standard 2, so standard 2's class, because we cannot talk, we cannot tell you, we can clear your doubts regarding the lessons in class. So think it as a class and be serious about your studies, because every video the teachers are providing you, they are doing a lot of labor for it. So please give respect to it and watch it seriously at home, and whatever advice they are giving in every video, please follow it. It will help you to know about the lesson as well as to prepare well for the exam. Children, thank you for watching this video, children. And I am sure you are staying at home, because at current scenario it is very difficult for a person to survive. But we know Almighty is always with us. A surely good time will come, we will get a good news that everything is okay around us. So till that time, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you, children, for watching this video. Till we come with a new such video, goodbye, children. God bless you.